So, good evening, everyone. Today we are going to solve one question. This question is of basic probability. So, let's see what is the information that is given to us. Okay. So now the question is that a spinner has three sectors labeled A, B, and C. Okay. So it has how many sectors? It has three sectors: A, B, and C. The probability of landing on A is twice the probability of landing on B, and then the probability of landing on B is twice the probability of landing on C. Okay, so let me choose a thick pen. Okay, sorry. So the question is asking that it is telling that the probability of landing on A is twice the probability of landing on B, and then the probability of landing on B is twice the probability of landing on C. So ultimately, if I pick the probability of landing on C to be something, then all the information will be converted for B as well as for A. Okay. So the solution will start that let the probability let the probability of landing on C is equal to, let it be small p. Okay. So the value of small p, as you know, that since 0 is denoting our probability, so its value will lie from 0 to 1. Okay. So if the probability of C equal to P, then according to our question, the probability of landing on B is twice the probability of landing on C. So the probability, so just writing in short form that probability of landing on B is equal to what? Since it is twice that of probability of landing on C, so it will be 2P now. Okay. And similarly, the probability of landing on A, if I am denoting it by P of A, then P of A will be, it is twice, it is twice the probability of landing on B. Okay. So here you can see that it is twice the probability of landing on B. So probability of landing on B is 2B. So I will write 2P here. So it will become 4P. Okay. So now, and this will be nothing but, it is nothing but probability of landing on A. Okay. So it is P of A, or the probability of landing on A. Okay. So now we have probability of landing on C, we have the probability of landing on A, and now we have probability of landing on A. Okay. So now what we can do, actually we can find the value of P. Why? Because we know that the sum of all the probabilities is nothing but 1. Okay. So here I just need to do a simple mathematical addition, that is, we know that sum of all the probabilities is 1. So P plus 2P plus 4P will be 1. Okay. So this will imply that it is 1 and 2, 3. 3 plus 4 is 7. So it implies that, sorry, it is, okay. Then choose the thickness. So it implies that 7P, it is 7P is equal to 1, which implies that the value of P is what? Is nothing but 1 upon 7. Okay. So now since we know the value of P, that is 1 by 7, so we can calculate all the probabilities. So probability of A is nothing but simply P. So since the probability of A is nothing but P, so it will remain as it is, 1 by 7. But probability of B was 2P, so it will become 2 into 1 by 7, that is 2 by 7. Similarly, the probability of C is 2 times the probability of B, so it is 2 times 2 upon 7, that is 4 upon 7. Okay. So with this, our question is completely solved. Thank you very much.